Hey, this is Tom from bussesforsale.com with a 2010 Bluebird Vision school bus. This bus has just over 200,000 miles and is equipped with a Cummins diesel engine. But as you can see, the body is still in great shape because these buses are built to last. The tires are good, and we can go take a look on the inside. Driver's seat's in good condition. The dashboard is as you would expect, and the seats are all in pretty good condition. These ones are actually mid-back leather seats, and they're also brown, where the newer buses have high-back seats that are usually gray. And we can take a look at the undercarriage and the engine running.